So, happy birthday, Macha. Uh, all the MUN experiences we've shared. So, I'd just like to, point out few things. Uh, I'm sure as and when you see this video, you're going to be in an MUN as a delegate of Russian Federation somewhere. So, to what I've heard of you, I think you are one of the best in the list of the best delegates. So I've never got the opportunity to chair you. Uh, that came off wrong. To be your chair, but I'm sure when I return back to India, we'll do MUN together again, and I want you to be the delegate of Russian Federation in my council, and I actually want to be a co-delegate with you, and that is also something that I've been thinking of a long time. You, me, Abrar, Shaurya, and few other people. So again, it's going into an MUN subject, but I know that's been a big passion for you, and you should continue with that, and you should not stop. I hope McAfee is treating you really well. Uh, I'm sure you'll shine in whichever place you go. So, happy birthday again, have fun, and I'll meet you soon. Yeah.
Hi Kirish, happy birthday. I hope you have a great year and a really nice day. Uh, Clear all those exams, party hard, and enjoy a lot.
Hey Kirish, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead and hope you have a great day. Well, you're the master of sarcasm. Continue to keep sarcasm alive. And I hope to see you really soon and have those conversations about you know who. And yeah, it's always fun to have conversations with you, very intellectual, smart. Be that way. And once again, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Kirmer. Happy birthday. Have a great day and an amazing year ahead. Yeah, bye.
Hello. Uh, yeah, I was actually trying to make a Russian cap, but my head is way too big for it. These are the two flaps which you generally have. And what do they say? Yeah, Stium Rashdiniya. It's happy birthday in Russian. Yep. Have a great time. All the best. All the best for your civil services. Clear off soon, no? I don't want competition for me. Uh, yeah. Bye.
Hi Kirish, many happy returns of the day, and also all the very best for your civil service exam this year, and hope to see you in the Indian Foreign Service very soon.
Happy birthday. So, happy birthday, man. Happy.
हे किरीश जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. I know you do not understand Hindi. That's exactly why I said it in Hindi. Anyways, dude, have fun. Happy birthday. Take care. Yeah?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kirish. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, Kirish. Like it's really weird that I'm sending this birthday wish and you might be just surprised. But you're a really close friend, and I'm glad I met you during VIT And I didn't know that when we'll share those sweet breads and everything else, like when I'll steal that sweet bread for you and give it to you, and we'll just bond over that. It's really amazing to have a friend like you. I just hope that we we remain friends like for forever, and you have to give me a treat just by the way. Also, I hope to see you in SRMMUN if I come. So yeah, have a great day, and may God give you all the happiness that you've asked for, or otherwise as well. So yeah, and yeah, our tea is due. Come to Delhi as soon as possible so that I can meet you and we can chill. Have a great day. Love you so much. Mwah.
Hey Kirish, have a great day and a great year ahead. I hope you become a fanciest cop or a fanciest diplomat, whatever you plan on becoming. And I hope you get to be as badass as Putin someday, and you know, not respect boundaries. Oh wait, that's not you. This is your birthday wish. Yeah, anyway, have a happy birthday, man.
Hi Kirish, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. I haven't known you very long, but starting from January this year, I think, yeah, like I met you January this year at Deccan Summit too. Until now, I think I've met you at a couple of MUNs. And although we haven't been in touch other than the entire MUN part of it all, I have known a lot about you through obvious sources. And I have to say that you are one of the nicest people that I have ever met. And it's been a pleasure knowing you, someone as smart as you, someone as like as learned and as knowing, all knowing. And well, I do look up to you for obvious reasons. Again, I am a UPSC aspirant. I really hope I can clear the prelims one day. Well, hopefully I will get them in the coming session, and I will. Okay, I'm not going to say I will clear it because I might just not. Enough of the rambling about me. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful year ahead, and that this year gets even better for you. I hope you clear the mains and you become like a Hachat IFS officer, and then give me all the tips for me to become an IFS officer if that's possible. But other than that, thank you so much for being around, for being such a nice person. And I wish you all the very, very best for all your future endeavors. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Happy birthday.
Hi. Many more happy returns of the day, Girish. So happy to have met you.
Happy birthday, Girish. May you continue to have them both in whatever you do.
Oops. Hey, happy birthday, Kirish. I really don't know when you're going to bomb the USA, kill Obama. I really hope you don't, because I swear I don't like the guy. Just keep it real. Happy birthday.
Hope you have lots of vodka and you continue charming us by being Russia. Oh, we are also cheering to you. Have a great day, Girish.
Hi Kirish, many more happy returns of the day. Hope you have a wonderful and fantastic year ahead. I'm really glad that we had an opportunity to meet, right at my first MUN. That too at a wonderful council like JICSM, because JICSM is like one major reason as to why I actually started taking up MUNs more seriously and participating in more. So thank you very much for that. And also all the very best with your upcoming exams. I hope you get into the IFS real soon. So yeah, here's wishing you a wonderful birthday again. Have a great one.
Happy birthday. We met at my second MUN, and you have been there in my next 3 MUNs, either as a delegate or an EB member. You are someone I really respect and somebody who I look up to, and you've always been supportive of me, so thanks for that. Here's hoping that we'll have more great experiences together, probably another JIC, some style of MUN experience, and hopefully by this time next year you'll be working for the IFS. Anyway man, all the best, have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Kirish. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a good one. Although that's really kind of like expecting too much out of it, but still, keep up with the work on sarcasm and all that stuff that you usually do. Just have a great time. Probably have some Russian vodka or something probably. So yeah, that's about it. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Kirish, happy birthday. I hope you have had a very good day so far. I hope you have a very good day from this point of time and a very good life with whatever it is that you wish to pursue. And MUNing as well on the topic. You are MUN God. You have no idea how many people actually worship you. Serious, anyway, doesn't matter. Thanks a lot for being a very good friend, being a very good mentor for MUNing. I seriously owe it all to you, Akshay, Abrar, Shruta, for MOP MUN Jixum. I still don't get it right. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, thanks a lot for everything. and I hope you're having like whatever it is that you're doing, you do it like very well. You become the diplomat that you want to become, and I will try as much as I can to make it to HYLC. I'm willing to screw my life over and not take up my job just to make it to HYLC, but I don't know, university policies which I need to follow and stuff, whatever. And even if I don't make it to HYLC, there's always lots of free time for me when I come to India to meet you guys and blah, 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 just talk about all crazy shit. And oh yeah, right. Online, you're so much fun online. Like just like random posts and stuff. Seriously, that's a lot of enjoyment for me, and that's seriously what's keeping me alive over here. Like you have no idea about the stuff which actually happens here. That is so like I laugh every time I think about the way people act over here. There's so much I gotta tell you guys. Anyway, until then, bye bye.
Please, happy birthday. I have always enjoyed all your counsels, and I'm really looking forward to Bilderberg. Have a great year ahead, man. Bye.
Happy birthday, Comrade Girish, and all the best for the coming year. Hope you can start doing the MUN minus the M. Anyway, have a great day and celebrate your birthday like any good Russian would. Of course I'm talking vodka. Na zdоровье!
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. Hope you clear the IFS and give me a treat when you move into your big IFS bungalow.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. என்னால் சுத்தகீர்த்தி அளவுக்குலாம் எதுவும் காட்ட முடியாது, அதனால் ஏதோ என்னால் முடிஞ்சது இவ்வளோ தான். I really hope you have an amazing year ahead, one that is filled with the auspices of Pravishta Nadella. அவன் இல்லைனாலும் சரி தான். Yeah, so it was really nice getting to know you in Hyderabad, and I hope we can get to know each other further. I stalked you on Facebook and I realized that you're 24 now, that you're turning 24 now. You're 6 years older than I am. Let's just put that in perspective. I hope you feel really old. Anyway, have a really great day and have a really amazing year ahead. We'll meet at HYLC.
The first time I met you, for the lack of a better description, I thought you were one of these rather intimidating and uber shady guys you see in these weird Tamil B-grade movies. But little did I realize that you were a very nice guy, and in fact one of the best MUNers and chairs out there today. And thanks for all the help and advice. Happy birthday, Kirish. Hope you have an amazing year ahead, and a really fun day filled with thoughts of you being really old, I guess.
Happy birthday, Kirish. Hope you're liking this video so far. I just want to clarify one thing. I did not intend to put myself in saving the best for the last list. So I just want to tell you that there are more videos to come, and the number of people that you're going to have to thank after this video just got longer. Many more happy returns of the day. I wish you the bestest for your future. I hope all your dreams come true. I look forward to meeting you real soon with a couple of more surprises awaiting you. So all the very best for everything. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Kirish. Hope you have an amazing year ahead. Looking forward to seeing you and working with you very soon. Hope you're having a great day. Happy birthday once again. Take care.
Hi Kirish, happy birthday. Okay, I'm going to have to scream a little bit because my building's terrace is quite noisy. I hope you have an amazing birthday and an amazing year ahead, and continue doing months and keep winning them like you always do. And hopefully this will help you in your journey towards becoming a diplomat like you've always wanted to be. I'll hopefully be seeing you soon when I visit Madras the next time. Till then, have an amazing time and an amazing birthday. And thanks to Shrutakirti for making me a part of this video. Cheers, man.
Hey, V. Kirish Raj. He is wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you have both a splendid day and a brilliant year ahead. May all your wishes come true, and I hope you have a good one.
Generally, I despise making these video journals because honestly, bro, who's got the time and who's willing to form video evidence of themselves making an embarrassment out of themselves? YouTubers do not count because they make money out of it. Anyways, I thought if I'm gonna do this one time, I'll do it for one of my best friends ever. Worry not, I'm going to keep it short and sweet because of our mutual content for this video shiz. So here goes. I have nothing but the utmost respect for you, for what you've done in the past, for what you've planned to do in the future. You're an inspiration to me amongst a lot of other people, although you're unwilling to accept the fact that the former is true too. You're one of the smartest, most intelligent, rational, idealistic people I know, and honestly, I'll just advise you to be yourself, to go on and achieve those ambitious dreams that you've set for yourself. I'm sure you're kicking ass at your new company, and I hope your preparations are going perfectly because, boy, I would trust my nation in the hands of a person like you in the services, just like I've always trusted you to have my back at MUNs, bro. I hope you have an amazing day and you have a great year up ahead. Continue kicking ass and being badass like your idol Putin. Ciao, Drunky Bear. Happy birthday.